In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Lenovo. Begin by opening Settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose Security section. In it, tap on Screen Lock and select the best login method for you. Swipe pattern, PIN or password. I will go with pattern. Now you need to create it. Choose Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then tap on Confirm. Now answer the question, how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications, by tapping on one of those options. I don't want any, so I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all and click on Done. Now when I switch off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!